Hello. So, I got the Parfums today, and I've been waiting for like three or 2 months for these. So we're getting to open these right now. I got the 4 individual ones. I would get the statue, but each time I would go and check, they would be sold out. But like I was gonna get the 4 individual ones. Okay, I don't need you no more. I'm scared. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. The other one. Look, they have different logos. This has the sword. And this one has fire. And then this one has water, which is probably the water one. And then the star one, I think. The star one. The fox out here now. I don't need Joe no more. So, I guess we could just start down here. So this is a sword one, which I forget which one it's called. But I'll just open it. Oh my god. Let's move it out the way. Oh my god. Air clarity. Oh, Evie, I can't believe I'm holding this right now. Oh. Okay, we're gonna smell it. We're gonna smell it. Okay, smell it. I can smell. Oh my god, this was a caramel. Oh my god. Hold on. Oh my god. Oh my god, this was a caramel. Oh my god. That smells amazing. Oh my god. That smells amazing. Okay. It's air clarity. Now this is the fire one, so I think this is, I forget. I'm not even gonna say it. Fiery passion. I've seen so many good reviews on this one, and I'm scared. It's some people have been saying it smells like candy. It smells like strawberry candy, so I feel like that's what Melanie would smell like. Oh. Oh my god, that smells like strawberry candy. Oh. Okay, I'm getting them both mixed together. Oh my god. It smells like strawberry candy. Oh my god, it smells so good. Okay. Next one. This is, I think, Earth. I'm saying this wrong. Earthy abundant. I'm saying that wrong. Yeah, look it up. Right here. I'm smelling both of them still. So, okay. That smells like, it's like hand sanitizer. But I love it. It smells like hand sanitizer. I spit everywhere. But this one smells really good. It smells more like earthy outside. I smell grass. I like this one. But yeah, it smells like more nature. Definitely. This is water of intuition. Okay. Ooh. I like this one. I can't really. Hold on, I can't really. Can't really smell this one. What the? Like, I could smell it. It kind of smells like an empty mansion or something. But this one also smells really good. Definitely buy. Definitely. Whenever they restock, definitely buy. Definitely. Bye, guys.